Of 1944, two Russian wars, and the ongoing occupation of the Chechen Republic of Ichkeria. And so we understand especially deeply the tragedy of the Ukrainian people, the Голодомор, which claimed millions of lives. Our elders tell stories of how during those terrible years, Ukrainian families sent their children to the Caucasus because they believed they would be safe there. We cherish this memory and now the value of human solidarity. Today, as Russia once again waged war against both Ukraine and us, we understand that genocide has not ended. It has simply changed form. The full-scale invasion of Ukraine has now entered its force. Our experience tells us only the unity of free peoples can stop this terror. We express our deepest condolences to all who perished in the Holodomor and to all who are dying now defending their land. We honor the memory and heroism of Ukrainian defenders, the armed forces of Ukraine, all international battalions, Chechen battalions, and of course, for all fighters who fight shoulder to shoulder with Ukrainians. Our unity is our strength. We must stand together to liberate our lands and stop the evil that has been wreaking destruction for too long. Glory to Ukraine, glory to all who fight for freedom. Слава ЗСУ! Слава Україні!
Дякуємо!
Свободу Ічкерії!